hour to come through.
I don't mind.
It may be another hour.
Is this brand new?
Yes, brand new.
Wow. What kind is it?
I'm not sure it's
And I see something up there on
MacNeil.
Yeah, it's MacNeil.
You like this stuff, huh?
I never heard of it, but
Where you from?
Cuba, Missouri.
Cuba, Missouri?
I never been through one of these before until this morning.
No, okay.
Were you guys busy this morning?
They were busy this morning. They ain't been busy this afternoon.
Wow. It looks really neat though.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Is this for equipment room?
Huh?
Is this for equipment room?
That's where the equipment room is. That's where the main computer is.
Wow.
I couldn't let you go back there. I'd get in trouble.
Yeah, I know. I don't mind.
Okay.
Besides, I don't want to go back in there anyway.
Okay.
Looks really neat though.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. If you got here a few minutes earlier, you got to see the whole thing. Well, you went through it this morning?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
So I got to see the whole thing.
We got a car coming.
What? Yeah, I know. I won't. I'm just saying. This is a MacNeil Commerce at it. It used to be like a select.
Welcome to our... Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen.
It's a MacNeil car wash. I'm sorry, I'm not talking that no, it's going to be very noisy, so. I'm sorry if I'm walking.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. The wash will start automatically. Please place your car in neutral. Do not apply your brakes or attempt to steer your car at any time during the wash process.
Let off your brake.
Thank you again for your car wash purchase.